Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to ditch the factory intake on our 2017 Raptor to make it sound and breathe a whole lot better. One of the easiest ways to improve the performance of your EcoBoost is to install a cold air intake. So today we're going to be installing this Corsa Apex cold air intake on our 2017 F-150 Raptor. This Corsa cold air intake is designed to fit your 2015 to 18 3.5 liter EcoBoost F-150 and Raptor. It comes with a high flow intake tube and a pre-oiled max airflow filter, protected by a heat shield to improve the performance and efficiency of your EcoBoost. It comes with everything you need for an easy installation, so today we're going to install it on our 2017 F-150 Raptor. Tools you'll need for this installation: 7mm socket, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, 11mm socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, 13mm socket, 3/8 ratchet, 10mm wrench, and a trim panel removal tool. Okay, this Corsa cold air intake is super easy to install. The first thing we're going to do is remove the factory intake. Remove the clips on the airbox. Loosen up your hose clamps. The second hose clamp is way back behind here. It's really hard to see, but I promise it's back there. It's a 7mm. Remove the intake. Disconnect your intake sensor. Remove the 13mm bolt securing the airbox. Remove the clips on the front of the inlet. Then you can completely remove the airbox. Separate the airbox and the air inlet by removing the screw. Attach the air inlet to the Corsa heat shield. Use the provided hardware and spacer. Install the couplers and clamps onto the tube. Install the airbox into the factory location. Use the factory grommet as a spacer and install the factory bolt. Remove the driver's side PCV hose because we need to install a tube insert. Press on the gray tab, lift it up. So when you go to install this tube insert, make sure the opening is facing the turbo or the back of the engine. And then reinstall the PCV hose. Install your Corsa intake tube. Tighten your clamps. Install your massive pre-oiled air filter. Install the provided weather stripping on the heat shield. Reinstall the two clips at the front of the air inlet. Reconnect the intake sensor. Then your installation's finished. Okay, our Corsa cold air intake is installed. It dropped in super easy. You didn't have to do any cutting or drilling. It's definitely a really good bang for your buck upgrade for this Raptor. Installation should only take you about 30 to 45 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.